Good morning, student. Today we will study about Indian defense. There are numerous facts about the defense wing of India. Let's check it out. Number 1. Kalvari, the first of the Scorpion class submarines built at the Majgaon Dock Limited, Mumbai, has been successfully tested. It is to be commissioned into the Indian Navy soon. Panchi, the unmanned aircraft prepared by DRDO. What is DRDO? Defense Research Development Organization. And Nishant, launched from Heathrow. Pneumatics rails are developed by the Indian Army. The 380 kg Nishant has airbags and a parachute for recovery. Both Nishant and Panchi will be used for battlefield surveillance or as required. Aluman crew completed maiden voyage on Indian Navy sailing vessel Mahadevi from Visakhapatnam for her home port, Goa, after participating in the International Fleet Review. It was the first all-women crew for ocean-going sailing boat of the Navy. These women officers were trained to form an all-women crew that would attempt to circumnavigate the globe in 2017. H.S. Harry Clare is well known in the war loads of the Indian Army as the brigadier who knocked on the doors of Dhaka on 15 December 1971. The shoot edge is used by the Jain technologists in weapon simulators for Indian armed forces. This technology allows armed forces to shoot at enemies from the cover of a corner and takes care of their safety. Air CMD Meher Singh, he was awarded Distinguished Service Order DSO, which was the only such award to the Indian Air Force ever. Air Chief Marshal Pratap Chandra Lal. On the most decisive victory in 1971, he was an instructor and a manager who made immense contribution to India's aviation industry. He molded a large and rapidly expanding air force into an efficient fighting force. Air Vice Marshal Arvind Daldalaya was one of the first Indian pilots to be trained on helicopters. Now, Wing Commander Karun Krishna Majumdar was first Indian war hero of World War II. Who was first Indian war hero of World War II? So, Wing Commander Karun Krishna Majumdar was first Indian war hero of World War II. He was popularly called Jumbo. He was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC for his leadership of the squadron during the Burma campaign. Flying Officer P.S. Pingle is popularly nicknamed as Saber. What is nickname? His nickname is Saber Slayer. As he shot down a PF Saber, he went head to head in air combat with the Pakistani SEMM Alam. Subrato Mukherjee became the first Indian to command a flight squadron, a station, cohort, and finally the commander-in-chief itself. He was the first IA pilot to carry out an airdrop over a beleaguered army picket. The date 1st April 1954 was a red-letter day in the history of Indian Air Force. He took over the reins of Indian Air Force with the departure of the 3rd British Air Chief Air Marshal Sir Gerald Gibbs, the last links of the IAF with the British Raj. The NCC girls successfully scaled the world's highest peak, empty Everest, Mount Everest, in 2 teams. The first team reached the summit on the 21st of May 2006. Summit, it means Shikhar, Shikhar of Mount Everest. And the second team on the 22 of May, making it the first ever successful expedition by the NCC girl team. Now given here Indian Naval Air Squadrons, aircrafts and nicknames. INAS 303. This squadrons means what we can say वायु सेना टुकड़ी. INS 303 ये किसका नेम है? वायु सेना का टुकड़ी का नेम है. और एयरक्राफ्ट जो दिया है, जो एयरक्राफ्ट है, ये जो टुकड़ी है किसको एक उड़ान भरी मानो कि यह जो है MiG 29K का जो है यूज़ किए इन लोग. कौन लोग? INS जो 303 टुकड़ी है, सैन्य टुकड़ी, उन लोग. और इसका जो निक नेम क्या है? ब्लैक पैंथर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक दिस INS 310 स्क्वाड्रंस एयरक्राफ्ट कौन सा यूज़ किए इसमें सैन्य टुकड़ी ने? डॉर्नियर्स. और इसका जो निक नेम है कोब्रास. INS 311 डॉर्नियर्स एयरक्राफ्ट और जो निक नेम है वो काइट्स है. INS 312 इसके एयरक्राफ्ट है TU-142M जिसका निक नेम है एल्बेट्रॉस. INS 318 जिसका एयरक्राफ्ट नेम है डॉर्नियर और जिसका निक नेम है हॉक्स. INS 321 जिसका एयरक्राफ्ट का नेम है चेतक, आलाउटी एंड निक नेम है एंजल्स. INS 322 जिसका एयरक्राफ्ट का नाम क्या है? ALH ध्रुव और जिसका निक नेम है गार्डियंस. INS 330 जिसका एयरक्राफ्ट का नेम क्या है? सिकिंग 42B एंड निक नेम हार्पुन्स. INS 333 aircrafts Kamau 25 and nickname Eagles. INS 336 aircraft seeking and nicknames Flaming Arrows. So it is very important, underline it all, or you have to remember it all squadrons name, aircraft name and nicknames also. An inventor from Varanasi, Shyam Chaurasia, has designed a super suit or a metal gun suit to help Indian soldiers guarding our border to fight terrorism. It is operated and controlled through internet. Who has designed it? Shyam Chaurasia. And from where? Shyam Chaurasia is from Varanasi. He is inventor from Varanasi. Okay. Now next given here, Kali 5000 kilo ampere liner inspector is a Kali series of welfare weapon which can stop missile, aircrafts, enemy satellites, anything with the electric circuit inside. So students, read about it all and create yourself some question answer from this chapter, and if any doubt then consult into meeting. Okay.